Hello. Wikipedia's picture of the day, August 14, 2021. Today's video is about George Holdich. George Holdich, the 14th of August 1816, the 30th of July 1896, was a British organist and organ builder based in London. In 1851, he produced a pipe organ that was exhibited at the Great Exhibition. This photograph shows Holdich's best-known achievement, the new organ for Lichfield Cathedral, installed in 1861. The instrument, which has 52 stops, was the first in England to have a full pedal specification of stops, as was customary among organs in continental Europe. Thanks for watching. And don't forget to like, comment, and share.